Imagine creating a YouTube channel today, and in just 2 months, you've racked up more than 10 million views and over 90,000 subscribers with only 33 uploads. That's exactly what's happening right now in the workout niche. And here's the kicker. This channel is making simple, long-form content teaching viewers the right way to perform exercises, using a muscular humanoid figure illustration to show both correct and incorrect form. It's visually powerful, easy to understand, and it grabs attention instantly. Think about it. Fitness is one of the biggest markets in the world, and right now people are more focused than ever on getting healthy and learning proper form. But instead of boring talking head videos, this niche uses eye-catching muscular humanoid figure to break down workouts step by step. That's why it's exploding. And this channel has likely already made over $10,000 in ad revenue alone. Here's the best part. This niche is still far from saturated, which means if you start now, you can ride the wave before everyone else catches on. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to create these high-performing fitness videos. So stick with me until the very end so you don't miss any step. Now let's get started. The very first step is to generate your own muscular humanoid figure. This character is going to be the star of your channel, which you'll use consistently across all your videos to demonstrate exercises. To make this easy for you, I've put together a Google Doc with ready-to-use prompts that will guide you step by step. These prompts will help you generate your unique workout character, as well as scripts and image prompts. You'll find the link to that Google Doc in the description below, so make sure you check it out. And hey, if you've made it this far into the video, take a second to like this video, because it really helps the YouTube algorithm push this out to more creators who need this exact strategy. All right, let's dive back in. Head over to the Google Doc, download or screenshot the image provided. You'll be needing this image as reference. After that, go ahead and copy the character prompt. Once you've copied the prompt, head over to ChatGPT. The first thing you'll want to do is upload your reference image. Next, paste the character prompt you copied. Then make this one quick change. Input the letter you want displayed on your character forehead, just like the channel we're modeling after. Once that's done, simply hit enter and let ChatGPT start the generation process. It may take a little while, so be patient. And there you have it, your very own muscular humanoid workout figure. Take a moment to preview the result, and once you're happy, save the image to your device. You'll be needing it later on. Now that we've successfully created our own muscular humanoid figure, the next step is to generate script. Head back to the Google Doc and copy the script prompt. Once you've got it, return to ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Now comes the customization. First, decide how long you want your video to be. Then input the time in minutes so the AI knows how long to make your script. Next, choose the specific workout exercise you want the video to focus on. For this tutorial, we'll use push-up as our example, but you can pick anything: squats, planks, pull-ups, or any exercise your audience cares about. Once you've filled in those details, hit enter and let ChatGPT work its magic. In just a few seconds, you'll have a professionally written, attention-grabbing script designed to hook viewers from the first line, deliver real value, and keep them engaged until the final call to action. Now that we've got our script ready, the next step is to generate a professional voiceover for our video. And for this, we will be using 11 Labs. Start by heading over to the 11 Labs, click on Sign Up, and create an account. Then once you're logged in, click on Instant Speech, and you'll be taken straight to the voiceover creation dashboard. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the script we just generated. Then return to 11 Labs and paste the script. Now take a quick moment to clean the script up by remove anything you don't want, such as timestamps or placeholder text, so your narration flows naturally. Once you're done with that, click on Voices and you'll see a wide selection of AI voices. Take your time to preview them and choose the one that best matches the tone of your channel. Once you've selected the perfect voice, simply click Generate and the AI will instantly start producing your professional-grade voiceover. In just a few moments, your audio is ready. Now download the voiceover directly to your device. The next step is to generate the actual images of our muscular humanoid figure performing different workout positions based on our script. But first, we need image prompts. To get started, head over to the Google Doc I provided and copy the image prompt. Once you have that, go back to ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the chat. Now here's the important part. Attach your muscular humanoid figure you generated earlier so ChatGPT knows exactly which character style to base all your exercise poses on. After that, simply hit enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will provide you with a set of highly detailed image prompts. These prompts are optimized to match your script line by line, which means each pose will perfectly illustrate the exercise being explained. Now that we have our image prompts ready, It's time to generate the images for our video. For this step, we'll be using ChatGPT's image generation feature. Head back to ChatGPT, copy the very first image prompt, then open a new chat and paste it in. After that, attach your muscular humanoid figure you created earlier so the AI knows what character to use. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will start processing, and within seconds, your first image will be ready. Notice that the background is solid red. That's intentional, because later on we can easily remove or replace it during editing. Once you're satisfied with the result, download the image directly to your device. Now repeat this same process with each of the image prompt to generate the rest of your images. The next step is to get background music, and for this we'll be using Suno AI. Head over to Suno and create an account. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon to open up the creation interface. Since we don't need vocals or lyrics for this type of video, go ahead and select instrumental. This way we get clean background tunes that don't distract from the voiceover. To make sure the music perfectly matches your workout script, head back to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a music style perfect for your script. Then click enter, and in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a tailored style of music that fits the energy and tone of your video. Copy that suggestion, then return to Suno and paste it. Then give your track a title. After that, click Create, and Suno will instantly generate 2 unique background tracks based on the style you entered. Preview both tracks. Now pick the one that matches your video vibe best and download it straight to your device. The last step is to bring everything together with editing. For this, we'll be using CapCut. Open CapCut, create a new project, and import a simple background, either plain white or any style you prefer. Next, change the aspect ratio to 16:9 so it fits perfectly for YouTube. Then extend the background to match the length of your video. Next, import the voiceover we created earlier in 11 Labs. Then carefully cut out the empty spaces so it flows smoothly. Once that's done, start importing all the muscular humanoid figure images we generated. Once they're all in the timeline, next remove the red background. Click on the first image, then scroll below and click on Remove Background. Then select Chroma key and drag the pointer to the background to remove it. Now repeat this for all images until they're clean and ready. Once the backgrounds are gone, start syncing each image to match the voiceover perfectly. Next, let's add some animation to keep the visuals dynamic. Select the first image, go to the Animations tab, and choose one of CapCut's built-in options. Repeat this step for each image to apply animations throughout. Next, to make our video more engaging, let's add a subtle zoom-in effect to give your video more depth. Select the first image, add a keyframe at the start, then go to the end of the image and slightly stretch it to create another keyframe. Now repeat this process for each image to apply a zoom-in effect throughout. Next, let's add captions so viewers can follow along even with the sound off. Click on Text, then select Auto Captions. You'll see a variety of caption templates. Pick the one you like, click Generate, and CapCut will automatically create the captions. After that, import the background music we created in Suno. Trim any extra parts and lower the volume so it blends nicely with the voiceover. Finally, watch your video from start to finish to make sure everything flows. If you're happy with it, click on Export, then increase the resolution to 4K for maximum quality and download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result.
Think you're nailing your push-ups? Here's the truth. Most people who brag about doing 50 reps can't even do 5 correctly. And bad push-ups, they don't just waste your effort. They can wreck your shoulders and wrists. Here's what I see all the time. Hips sagging like a hammock, elbows flared out like chicken wings, and hands way too far forward. Sound familiar? Those mistakes are why your chest isn't growing and your joints ache. Let's fix it. Step 1. Think of your body as a straight plank.
If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions in the comment section.